Yo, what's going on, bros? Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at a whole bunch of exciting stuff, starting with the head. I've started porting the head, so let's take a look at this thing.
Go back.
So I started porting the head. Inside of each one of the cylinders, right here, this is already all sandpapered out and stuff. You can see they're pretty shiny. Up here, I've only removed material. You can see it's pretty rough. You can see there's a whole bunch of edges and stuff in there. Although this guy over here, I did use sandpaper. I was just kind of testing it out, seeing how I wanted it. But yeah, you can see, compared to the last video, these are definitely sharper. They don't have that flat edge, and that's what we're aiming for. But yeah, you can see in comparison, this is all smoothed out. This is not. So, but that's definitely coming along. And what's cool, I ran down to the Home Depot. I ran down and I picked up one of these bits. It's got like these flutes on it. Okay, it's not like a regular drill bit. Let's see if I can get it to focus again. It's not like a regular drill bit. That's a good angle. You see, it's like, it's interesting, it's strange. And it's really good actually at removing aluminum from this head. I'm having a very easy time relatively compared to like sandpaper, trying to remove all that material. So that's awesome. That's what I use to remove all the material in there. So that's coming along. I'm gonna have that time lapse going here in the next couple of days. Also, got my piston rings in. Hey, let's take a look at that. All right, so I got 3 2-packs of piston rings for this. They're meant for the M104, M111, and I might be wrong about the M1. I think the M111 and another engine. I can't remember. I guess just whatever Mercedes engines are 89.9 millimeters. Anyways, so let's take a look at them. I'm gonna throw them in the block real quick, or at least just one, and we'll see how it fits. There we go. That's how we do that. And give me 1 second. All right, so let's look at this top ring. So it's a 2-pack, so it's got 2 top rings in here. Bam. Let's throw it in the engine block real quick. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but you gotta squeeze it. Slowly get it in there. And flip it. And then get a thingy to push it down. Let's get a thingy. All right, we got a thingy. And try to push it down evenly. There we go. Feels even. Nope, absolutely not even at all. But if you look down straight, you can see that gap's not crazy. That's definitely manageable. Boom! Look at that. I haven't filed it down yet. I'm gonna have to open up that gap a little bit more. That's not big enough for me. I know you want another meme. But yeah, so awesome. Got my piston rings in. They were only a tiny bit more expensive, and that was mostly the shipping. Okay, and another exciting thing, I got all the stuff to make the exhaust manifold right over here in this box next to the turbski. So 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch. Here's the where it's gonna come up into the T4 flange. And I got this pre-made like this because I don't want to have to make this. This would just be too much fun. I don't want to have all that fun. But yeah, so it's going to be 2 2.5 inch up, and then 3 1.5s into a collector into 2.5, and then those go into here for each individual scroll on the turbo and all the stuff in there. Although the downside is that if you look here, this elbow is pipe, this is tube. They're both 1.5 inch. They're not the same size. Why? I know why. It's because I actually got tubing. I got tubing for the straights, and then I got pipe for the elbows. So how I'm gonna fix that, I actually meant to get pipe through the whole thing. And so how I'm gonna fix that, I'm just gonna go down to where I get steel or where there is steel available, and I'm just gonna be like, hey, you guys want to trade pipe for tube? So hopefully they'll give me a discount if I throw them this stuff and they give me some pipe. If not, you know, whatever, it's worth a shot. But I'll get pipe for that. I want to use pipe because I feel like it's going to be more rigid. It'll be a little bit heavier, but I think it'll probably handle the heat better. Pipe instead of tube. Might be wrong. Tell me what you guys think about that. But yeah, exciting stuff. Piston rings, doing the head. That's going to be done here soon. And then got the all the exhaust stuff. So yeah, lots of exciting stuff. This is the update for you guys. I love you.